Hello, and welcome back to Scrum Study course on the Guide to the Scrum Body of Knowledge, or the SBOK Guide. In this section, we will look at the best way to use the SBOK Guide. But before that, let's review some foundation material. The SBOK Guide is a reference and knowledge guide. It is used by experienced Scrum practitioners and other product and service developers, as well as persons with no prior experience or knowledge of Scrum or other project management frameworks. In SBOK Guide, you will find that the contents are organized for easy reference by the 3 Scrum core team roles, that of the product owner, Scrum Master, and the Scrum team. The content for each Scrum core team role is identified in the Role Guide section. A Roles Guide provides direction regarding the relevance of each section in the chapter to the Scrum core team member. The chapters covering the 6 Scrum principles and 5 Scrum aspects also includes a role guide. What's more, in order to facilitate the best application of the Scrum framework, the SBOK Guide has clearly differentiated mandatory inputs, tools, and outputs from non-mandatory or optional ones. In the SBOK Guide, the inputs, tools, and outputs denoted by asterisks are mandatory, while others with no asterisks are optional. It is recommended that persons being introduced to Scrum focus primarily on the mandatory inputs, tools, and outputs, while more experienced practitioners should read the entire fundamental process phases. And professionals looking to scale Scrum to large projects and to the enterprise should focus on the additional processes described in chapters 13 and 14. Thank you for learning with us.